Okay, when you get this software, it's going to be emailed to you as a software, and you just download it to your desktop, and then when you're ready to use it, you just simply open it up. Let me show you how that works. Okay, so down here, start, I have it right here. It's called the BP Sender. See that? So I just click it, and there it is. Okay. So there's basically two parts to this. There's the main, this is the main, and there's the ad editor. Okay, your ads go in here, you'll see that in a minute. Your cities go in here. Okay, so let's go to ad editor. Okay, now in the ad editor section, this is where your headline goes of your ad. This is where your body copy goes. This is where your email address goes, or you want to use Gmail. I found Gmail really works better. It's faster. You have to activate your ads once you go through this software. You have to go to your Gmail address and activate them. I suggest you get a separate Gmail address just for this. And the reason I say that is because some people have some sort of an automated program where they can reply to people's ads, and sometimes you get a lot of those. So if you're going to use an email address that is your everyday email address, if you get a couple of hundred of those, you're not going to like it. So I just use this one. Now Backpage just changed their format around November of '09. So I've noticed a lot less, or maybe it was October, I don't remember. I get a lot less of those automated replies. In fact, I get very few, but it used to be that I got a lot. But anyway, just use a Gmail address. The way you put your Gmail address, you see over here it says add. You just click add, you type in your email address, your Gmail address, and then you put add, or you click it, and it'll show up right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to post ads to your 25 or 30 cities, and then after you do that, you want to go to your Gmail address and activate them. And it's just about, you just click a link for each city. You'll get an email for each city that you post to. You have to go to each city and click a link. So when I do a posting, let's say it's 25 cities, I'll get 25 emails. So I just go in there and I just open up the first one, click the link, and then delete. Okay? And then go to the next one, click the link, and then delete it. You don't need to save those. It used to be that Backpage would send you your ad after your ad expires, which is I think 45 days, and then you can reactivate your ad again. But I think they may have stopped doing that. I don't really know. Okay, so you got your Gmail address in here. This is where your lineup of ads goes. Okay? And you want to make your ads be different from each other. Otherwise, you're going to be posting the same ad and you're going to get a Backpage telling you, or this software telling you, that you have a duplicate ad out there. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through here and I'm going to make a couple of ads, and you're going to see how it works. Now, before I do that, however, the ad body copy that you put in there, you can have it be the same for all of your ads. Now, look very, very closely, okay, at right here, this last line. Okay, you're going to have to pause this and write this down exactly as it is. And if you do that, you put your web address in here, okay? You don't need to put a www, just http // and your web address that you're going to send people to. And then you can see it has a / and then it has a quotation, and then it has that thing. And then right here, you can put click here to learn more, or see how our team operates, or whatever you want to put in there. And what happens is that when they see your ad, when they click your link, when they click your ad in Backpage, instead of seeing a web address, they're going to see click here to learn more, or whatever you put in here. But it has to be set up exactly like this. So you're just going to have to write it down, make sure you have any kind of spacing that is on this exactly the same. And I recommend when you do this and you post your first ad and you activate your first ad, you wait about a half an hour and then you go into Backpage, the city that you posted to, and you find your ad and you click it and you open up the ad body copy into here and you'll see your link. This will be a live link. It'll say click here to learn more. And you click it and make sure it goes to your website. Make sure you got everything lined up right. Okay, before you go post a whole lot of ads and then find out that maybe you missed something along in here someplace. Now you can just put your web address. That's fine too. You can do either one. If you just want to put your web address, that's fine. Now I heard or read someplace that when people use an automated posting tool, or even if they post manually online in Backpage, Backpage for some reason does not like web addresses that end in .info. So don't use a .info. Use a .com, .org, .net, if you're in Canada, .ca, whatever, anything but a .info. I don't know why, who cares why, that's just the way it works. And that's what I read, okay? So what we're going to do now is we're just going to do a couple of ads. Now, you can have basically the same headline for each ad, but the first word has to be different, okay? So right here, instead of the letter U, we're going to put Y-O-U. Y-O-U, okay? And then you make sure that you copy, and you're going to paste down here. Copy and paste your ad name in there. See that? The reason is because this is actually how your ad's going to appear. Okay? And then you see here I have location. You could put USA, you could put worldwide, you could put international, you could put whatever you want to put. I just put Earth. Okay? And then you're going to go here and you're going to click Save Ad. Okay? Now you have another ad up there. Okay? Now, you could just, now we're going to do 3 ads here, make $777 a day. Okay? And I'm just going to go down here and take out the you can. Okay? Like that. Then you're going to click Save Ad. See? Now you got 3 of them in here. Okay? And they will line up in here alphabetical by the first word. Okay? Now, you can use this same ad, the same thing, just make a space. And you're fine. A space. See that? And down here a space. And then click Save. And it actually is, the only thing that really matters is the first word and the first letter of the first word. So if the first letter is a space, obviously that's not the exact same as if the first letter is an M. So you just do that and you go all the way down to the bottom, put 25 or 30 of them in there, and once you do that, you're then basically ready to start posting, and I'll show you how to do that next.